Hey, let's talk histograms. So we've got the histograms palette over here on the right. If you can't find it there, it's definitely under Window and Histogram. So what actually a histogram does is displays the luminance values of the photograph. I mean, some people talk about the perfect histogram is a camel hump, but that's actually not quite true. It's a bit of bullshit if I'm concerned. So as you can see, all the whites are on the right, and on the left I have all the blacks. So the blacks will be this part. See how we don't have many blacks? There's not really many shadows. We've got a few mid-tones, and there's lots of mid-tones and a few highlights. So let's look at this next image. Next image is Starry Night. And of course there's no mid-tones or highlights because it's actually quite a black photograph, and it actually works this way. So, and lastly, we've got a lovely photo of my friend Jeremy. And in this histogram, we've got probably a range of colours all the way through, and we've got no highlights, and that big white bar is the big white border around the edge. So I hope this explains more, and if you do want to play with the options, you can come through and see all the channels, what the red, greens and blues are doing separately, but have a look guys and have a play and you'll learn some more.